Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to build a simple hedge strangle strategy using the option wizard. So let's get started. Go to the option wizard page and click on Create Your Own Strategy. Now enter a strategy name. Let's call it Selling Hedge Strangle. Select the underlying as SPX and set the capital to $10,000. Now this capital should always be based on your strategy's requirements. For example, if a strategy has a drawdown of around $2,000 and requires about $5,000 to $8,000 margin, then allocating $10,000 gives you a comfortable buffer. Now let's start building the positions. First, we'll add the hedge buy legs. Select segment as call, action buy, strike as ATM spot, and then set strike value to OTM 10. Choose expiry as current day, quantity as 1 lot, and click on Add. Now let's add the put hedge leg. Just change call to put, keep strike value as OTM 10, and click Add. Now let's add the sell legs, which form the actual strangle. Change action from buy to sell, and set strike value to OTM 3. Add the put sell leg first. Then repeat the same for the call side. Change put to call, keep strike as OTM 3, and add it. Now the structure is ready. Let's move to leg-wise stop loss and target settings. We'll configure this only for the sell legs and leave the hedge legs unchanged. For targets, we have two options: percentage of entry price and points. For example, if entry price is $100 for the sell leg, a 10% target means exit at 90. A 20-point target means exit at 80. The same logic applies to stop loss. For this demo, let's keep it simple. Target equals 90%, stop loss equals 100%. Now let's understand trailing stop loss. We have 4 types: entry percent, entry points, stop loss percent, stop loss points. Let's first understand entry percent trailing. Suppose your entry price is $100. If we set Activate At to 50, that means trailing activates once we reach 50% profit. Next is Lock At. If we set it to 25, it means once profit reaches 50%, we lock in 25%. If profit drops from 50% to 25%, the position exits. Now the next two fields, Increase Profit Buy and Increase TSL Buy, if both are set to 1, then for every 1% increase in profit, the trailing stop also increases by 1%. So if profit moves from 50% to 51%, lock moves from 25% to 26%, and continues like that. Now let's look at stop loss percent trailing. Here, instead of trailing profit, we trail the stop loss. For example, if entry is at 100 and stop loss is set at 100%, when price moves in our favor by 1%, say from 100 to 99 for a sell leg, the stop loss reduces by 1%. So it moves from 100 to 99. If profit increases further, say to 25%, then stop loss also adjusts by 25%. So now it becomes 75% of the entry price. Now coming to strategy level trailing stop loss. This works on the combined P&L of all legs, not individual legs. The logic remains similar to entry percent trailing. The key difference is that here, percentage is calculated based on capital. So if capital is $10,000 and you set 5, that means $500. For this demo, let's set Activate At equals 5%, Lock At equals 2.5%, Increase Profit equals 1%, Increase TSL equals 1%. Now set the exit time to 3:40 p.m. Set overall stop loss to $1,000 and overall target also to $1,000. And that's it. We've successfully built a complete hedge strangle strategy with leg-wise control. Now go ahead, save it, deploy it, and observe how it performs. And with that, we've completed our deep dive into the options wizard. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If there are any specific topics, strategies, or concepts you'd like us to cover next, let us know in the comments. We'd love to build them for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep trading smart.